To create a media board, you first of all need to load up your web browser and then go to the following web address: http://thecom01.mboard.co.uk. Once you're on the website, you can see all of the other media boards which have already been created for you here at the Community College Whitstable. To go in and create your own, you need to go to the author login and then enter the username and password, which can be supplied to you by either the IT technicians, Mrs. Quantick or Mr. Aaron. You simply enter the username and password details and then click on login so that you enter the author login area. Once you've entered this area, you can see all of the tools which are available to you here for you to use. Click on a template to create a new template. This needs to be done before you create a media board. You should have an image already saved in your area as a JPEG, which you will be using as your template image. Simply click on New Template and then give this a title. As mine is about mobile phones, I have called it Mobile. You then need to browse for the image and upload it to the area. Simply find it in your local area, double click it or click on Open to upload it. Click on the upload button and this should be completed for you. You can then see that there are new templates created. Here you can see mobile. From this area you can edit or delete any of the templates, including your own one. When editing templates, you can easily add zones. Give the zone a name, type it into the name area. I've called mine keys. Keep these short and then you can give it a description if you wish. Once you've given the name and description of your zone, click on the image of where you want the zone to be located. I've selected the keypad here. Once you've selected that, you can then enter any other zones that you wish. SCR standing for screen. If you put it in lowercase, it does make it simpler. Once you've given this a description, simply click on the screen and you can have a zone created on the mobile screen. To see a list of zones, click on the Zone List hyperlink. You can then see the zones available, which you can edit and delete easily. To create a media board, click on Manage Media Boards. You should then see all the media boards already present. Click on the New Media Board hyperlink and enter the name of your media board. I've called mine Mob Ideas, as it's where we're going to collect all of your ideas about how mobiles can be used. Next, change the template area. I will change mine in a moment, and then enter your description. In your description, you need to enter something which will tell people about the media board and how they can use it. You also need to include the details of what they need to text. They need to text into the number +447800140748. At the start of each text message, they should include the zone, followed by a full stop, the board that they're texting to, followed by a full stop, the client ID, followed by the hash key. After they've done that, they should then enter their message. An example of what could be texted into this media board, if we were texting in for what the keys could be used for, could be keys, full stop, mob ideas, full stop, the com01 hash key, and then you can type in whatever message you wish to type in. To see the media boards which have been created, click on the Home hyperlink over on the left hand side. This will take you to the media board homepage for CCW. You can see the different media boards here. To have a look at the media board which we've just created, click on the relevant media board, enter the username and password. You can then see the different zone areas by clicking on these, which will then allow you to see what people have texted in, and there are multiple different ways for you to get back to the actual media board itself. Here you have now seen the full creation of a media board.